do here at the MBA is we release the potential of our students and we expand their horizons. To do this, we often push them out of the comfort zone. That actually means that we take them out to the open sea, and then they learn how to navigate, and we also try to influence their values.
With the program in university here, it allows executives to have enough time that they would work, they would still do their duties, and still have time that they would gain knowledge.
This exchange of experience, thoughts, debate, peer consulting, that's absolutely a value added of the program.
The topics and the knowledge and the skills that I learned, that I gained from the program helped me a lot to be more efficient at my work.
On operational level, it's gonna open your eyes to a new world, to a new horizon. You will go back every week or after every class to your colleagues and to your company and to your job, thinking, how can I do things better? How can I do things in a different way?
We were also very much encouraged to try to apply what we learned in classes to our situations, to our companies.
Professors, they are very professional. One of the main things that I've learned from them is the way that they're actually not only delivering the information, but they're sharing a story. That they're giving a story of what's happening, and they're sharing the experience. So it's not about just giving a lecture, it's not a monologue, it's a dialogue. They're not only lecturers or teachers, let's say, they're actually practitioners who are sharing with their experience.
It opened my mind, and the MBA is really like a breakthrough point because it will really help you enhance your career afterwards.
It's really worth it. It's really, I have a feeling that I know so much more today, and that I really improved my managerial and leadership skills.
I believe that this program pushes and motivates the attendees in order to go back to their jobs, to their lives, to create a difference, not only in their jobs, but in general in their lives.
When they finish, their ambitions, the ethical boundaries, and the sky should be the only limits they have, and I'm very proud of them.